I am so looking forward to this.
So just come out with now.
What's your drink, love?
Oh, go away. Oh, what's occurring?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. What's occurring?
What's occurring is we're off to Hereford.
Hereford Rowing Club.
Thank you to all the subscribers out there that have been watching us and subscribed and liked and commented.
I don't know why you watch this tap, but
You right, Mr. Watts?
I am. Are you going to go and get changed?
Yeah, I think I need to get dressed now.
Parading around in a nightie.
And it's not a nightie.
It is a nightie.
I haven't got makeup on, I've got pyjamas on, that's all, and slippers.
What's that going to do?
It's not a nightie, is it?
Nightie.
So, no, it's not a nightie.
Take your red thing off and what's underneath that?
A nightie.
Right.
What are you got in there? No, what have you got in your pocket?
Have some crisps and...
Love, I'll make you egg and toast or something now.
No.
Stop eating crap.
I'm not eating crap, nice.
They're crisps.
Yeah? John.
No. What have you got in your pocket?
Crap.
No, what have you got in your pocket?
Nothing.
I know you can see it. I can see it in there.
Nothing.
Look, what's that? Jelly babies. See? Now isn't that better than crisps? Good boy. Oh yeah! You had a brilliant time. You looked as though you had fun. Anyway, what's your name? What are you all about?
And
Hi,
I'm the
Darren.
lead outdoor instructor on the public service course.
All right, okay. Is that for a college or?
Yeah, for Hereford and Ludlow College, and these guys are doing the protective and public service course.
For what year are you on?
I've done 3 years, so this is my third year.
Right.
I did level 2, then went on to level 3. I think it's really good. I've enjoyed it, and I'd definitely recommend the course to anyone else.
So what we do on the outdoor side, we do land-based, we do water-based, and we do expedition nav skills and things like that. And we try and focus it all around rescue.
Right.
So that they're trained up. Sam, my colleague over here, is part of the Heart team for the ambulance service. And they do training on the river like we've been doing today.
Yeah.
So I want to get the guys comfortable in a canoe and kayak, and they've also done paddleboarding, but also be able to rescue on all of those different types of boats.
Brilliant.
So they can save.
The Hereford Boating Club is invaluable to you then, I suppose.
Oh yeah, the rowing club, they're superb. They look after us so well. We pay like a nominal charge per boat to launch, was £1.50. I pay them £2, but then we use the showers, the toilets, so
Yeah.
really accommodating. The facilities here are fantastic, and I'd love to see it used more.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon going to use the showers. It would have been all right, but I had these in there. What was you singing? Do you want to sing now?
Actual musical.
Go on, give us a tune. Anyway, thanks a lot. It's been lovely meeting
No, it's
you.
lovely
Thank
meeting
you,
you
lot.
too. Thank you.
So, what are you going to say?
What's occurring?
Fabulous. See you guys. Bye.
Thank you.
I am so looking forward to this. In the drink she's going. First time paddleboarding. It's going to be fun.
Here we go.
Beautiful day for it anyway.
This is a hard bit. You're on your own now, basically.
Sugar.
Right.
You look like a natural. Go on, roll it. Here we go. Here we go.
It's freezing! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's freezing!
You okay? Want to get to the... Oh, you got it. He's not laughing, are we?
I gotta put this down. I'm shaking too much.
I've lost the paddle!
It's behind you. Rian, Andy's supposed to be on the boat. You enjoying?
I'm knackered!
What's the pool like? What's the pool? You must have swallowed that, some of that earlier.
Shut up! Oh, this is alright.
Yeah, we'll wait till we're in the middle and try standing again, yeah?
No!
Yes!
Fall in!
Practice makes perfect. Go on, love.
Paddleboard championships, here we come.
Ooh.
Right, here we go.
So how enjoyable is that, love?
It was fun, but I did panic a little bit. So hello guys. So come on, tell me all about your adventures with your canoe.
Because you can't stay upright, some of us do. What we've been on today is night rigger canoe, which is part of sports.
Right, okay.
Us three are also part of the Golpers Raft team, which is a local team that we said based at Leominster, which has done all the local raft racing on the River Wye. As we said, we've got into dragon boat racing, outrigger racing. So championships we're doing, myself and James are in the Fortis crew doing the club crew for paddle sport world championships in outrigger racing.
Do you get sponsorship then?
No.
Really? But your world champion status, I thought that would have meant something, or
It's impressive, but also it's quite sort of amateur level for us in the UK.
Can you see my hubby over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell him to do some training?
We can leave the boat here if you want.
Anyway, lovely chatting with you guys. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers guys, thank you. All the best at the championships.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. What's your drink, love?
Oh, go away. Good morning, what's occurring?
This weekend we've been at Hereford Rowing Club. Sunday morning now. We came Thursday and I think we've drunk Hereford dry.
Yeah, we've had a fantastic few days. We turned up on Thursday with a motorhomers club, and yeah, we've met some lovely new people.
Yep.
And we've had a ball.
Not so lovely older people.
We've had a right ball. We haven't actually gone into the town at all.
Haven't had a chance.
No, it's been lovely. We've just been parked down by there and looking out over to the river. Went paddleboarding yesterday. That was a laugh.
Yes,
But I
laugh for me anyway.
no, it was I did have a and my life jacket
1,000 words.
came out. What?
Nothing.
What? It's picking on me again. So no, we've had a lovely time. It was Lindsay Radford's birthday yesterday. No, it was a couple of days ago, but we had a bit of a party last night with them.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I wonder what everybody will be dressed like.
Hey! So where's the fancy dress then? Huh? Did someone say fancy dress? Huh? Did someone say it's a fancy dress? Lisa?
Oh, it's not my
Said it's
fault.
fancy dress.
No, I didn't say it was fancy dress.
You told us it's fancy
It
dress.
was fancy dress.
It was going to be fancy dress, and then I changed my mind.
Why didn't you email us?
I maybe did. I may have gone into spam. Check my spam.
I can't believe that.
I can't believe you got a badge down there. That's
Where? That's a big badge as well.
And yeah, I don't know what time it was. We went to bed last night.
No idea. Or the night before that.
No.
Well, we had a laugh.
So yeah, we've had a lovely time. You've got to go back to work tomorrow, so we are heading off this afternoon after we've had Sunday lunch at the boating club.
Yep.
So we're looking forward to having that now. And then we're going to go home.
No.
But we've had a brilliant time, and yeah.
To show you a few little snippets, we haven't taken much footage because Rian's been too drunk most of the time.
No, I haven't. Oh, I forgot. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up and comment on our channel as well.
And if you don't, just
Oh, what's occurring?